Ay, natulas na yung sa nating. Nadulas na yung sa nating kasamahan. Baba tayo. Madulas din doon. Muntik na lang pumadali. Madulas kanina. Ano yun? Ay, ito hanapin ko rin. Ha? Ay, lumot yan, lumot yan. Ayan. Lumot. Ayan, ayan.
sa pangunguna ni Maestro Tierso ang atin pong ayan. So dito tayo dire-diretso tayo para sa ating mga kababayan at paki-comment daw po sa ating mga kababayan kung naririnig ho ninyo ng maayos itong ating live feed. Welcome to the province. Hi. So here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, that's our Kalutang. Hi, how are you? How's your travel? How's your travel?
It's been very good.
So, by the way, what's your name?
Sorry, I didn't hear.
What is your name?
Meg. Meg,
Yeah, welcome to the province.
thank you. It's been very, very welcoming and friendly. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's our Morion. Yeah. He is definitely friendly. Hi, hello. Yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, welcome, welcome. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah. Welcome, welcome. Hi, Aideen. Welcome to the province. Hi, Ainur. Yeah, welcome to the province.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay. Okay. Hi, Malcolm.
Yes, mabuhay.
That's what he says.
How's the travel?
You can't welcome
Oh,
him.
ako
You
ba?
say salamat.
Yeah.
When he says
Hi, hello, hello. Hello, Patricia. How are you?
Good. Salamat.
Camera is there.
Oh, camera. Oh, hello, camera, wherever you are.
How is the travel?
Good, very good. Yes, the sea has been calm.
Oh, that's good.
That's good. Yes.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Hi, Sam. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you? Good.
Please enjoy your stay.
Thank you, I will.
How's the travel? I mean, the sea.
Lovely, yes, and a lovely welcome.
So, you guys came from Australia.
Yes, yes, we've come from, started in Taiwan and ending up in Manila, and then we go back home to Australia.
So, Taiwan, then the Philippines.
Yes, yes,
Oh, very interesting.
yes, it's lovely. You have a lovely country.
Yeah, definitely. And you also
Oh, thank you.
are Morion.
Yes, I've seen them, taken plenty of photos.
Oh, very cool. Now, that's the actual one.
Oh, right. Thank you.
Yeah, please enjoy your stay. Bye-bye. Okay, so still mga kababayan, please stay safe. Yeah, how are you?
Good, thank you.
From Australia?
Yes, from Brisbane, Australia.
This is the first time you visited the Philippines.
No, we came here many years ago, not to this province, so our first time here, and it's so beautiful. Look at the weather.
You know, previous weeks ago and the day raining
Really,
because of the weather.
yeah, well, thank you.
Morion.
That's fantastic. I can't believe it. The masks.
Saw it over the internet or
This is the first time we've seen masks like this, and they are so scary.
are popular during Lenten season.
Lecture yesterday by our guest lecturer, and she told us about the masks and the festival, and some of it gory when they, they thrash them. And but I understand it's that deep belief in Christ, and yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
That's our kalutang.
Yes. Okay.
Please, please be safe. Thank you so much. Yan, so, ayan, so napalaban na naman po kita mga kababayan sa matinding Inglisan. Kaya kami po ay lubos na nandito naman ating mga kababayan. So, ito, it's another Ha? Hi, welcome back. Hello. So, dire-diretso tayo. So, ikot lamang po mga kababayan. At talagang masaya at nakakatuwa itong ating pagsalubong na ito sa ating mga bisita, sa ating mga turista, ano po, na nandito ngayon sa ating lalawigan. Sila po ay binubuo na nasa 43 na mga turista mula po sa bansang Australia. At natugtog po dyan sina Maestro Terzo Cruz, ng ating Kalutang Group. So, dito po naman, madiretso tayo sa ayan. Saan yun? Joke lang. So, yan na.
Morionan Lenten Rite is a week-long observance of Christ's Passion during Holy Week among the people of the province. It is a folk religious practice to express their vow as an act of penance or a way of thanksgiving for good health, successful life, or bountiful harvest or catch. Central to the event is the participation of local Morions or penitents in biblical Roman soldier uniforms and masks who walk around town under the sweltering summer heat. As you walk in, the merry sound and music of the kalutangs fill the air. Kalutang is a musical instrument made of a single pair of wood. When struck on particular points along their length, the wood produces notes of definite pitches and of tonal quality that remotely resembles the sound of marimba and castanets. Kalutang is classified as concussion idiophones composed of varying sizes. A band of 12 to 10 can create music using this instrument. Dear guests, before you take your tour, learn and take a look at our island way of life. We cap this morning's welcome activity with the performance of the Putong rites. The Tubong or Putong is a ceremony indigenous to the island of Marinduque. Literally, the word Putong means to crown. It's a song of thanksgiving, hope, and prayer for a long, blessed life. According to beliefs, the patron saint rejoices at this kind of celebrations and intercedes for the honoree in his wish for long life, happiness, and safety from accidents and bad luck. Commonly performed to welcome guests like you and to wish them good life, health, and luck. It is also done during birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, or any special events that a person is thankful of and praying for a blessed path in life. During the rite, you will be showered with flowers and coins. Yes, good luck coins. Don't forget to pick them up, for these special mementos attract luck and will come back to you 1,000-fold. Ladies and gentlemen, only in Marinduque, the Putong.
So ayan po, papakita na natin ng isang napakagandang tradisyon dito sa ating lalawigan, ang putong, at ito po ay pangungunahan ng ating putong group mula sa Capitol.
Mahal na may bahay, tinutog na namin instrumentong taglay. Narito po kami, mahal na may bahay, tinutog na namin instrumentong taglay. Ugali na muna at magpagkailanman, dalawin, alibin ang may kapistahan. Ugali na muna at magpagkailanman, dalawin, alibin ang may kapistahan. O kawili-wili, panahoy husay, buwan ng Nobyembre, ipagkatagumpay, o kawili-wili, panahoy di husay, buwan ng Nobyembre, ipagkatagumpay, ang dahil at bagay, ng mahal ng ngalan, mga santo't santay, aming dinadalang, ang dahil at bagay, ng mahal ng ngalan, mga santo't santay, aming dinadalang, di man kami dapat sa oras na ito, ang nasa'y magdiwang sa kamahalan mo. Di man kami dapat sa oras na ito, ang nasa'y magdiwang sa kamahalan mo. Aming hinahanap sa lugar na ito, sapagkat tumitig ang kapilis sa hanap sa lugar na ito, sapagkat dumating ang kapistahan mo. Anong likit nitong oras, panahon ay aliwalas, anong sadyang karirilag nitong lugar na mapalad, ang lugar na kawiwili, pag-agrigalit, pamurihan sa pagdilig, ang ganito. Hawak sa kamay, pag-ipo'y may dala ng mga corona. Sa kamahalan nyo ay natatalaga, ang kasama nito'y marikit na palda, sampunang bulaklak na kaaya-aya. Lakad mga asawa, tayo ay sumulong sa loob ng bahay, pasok magpatulong. Awit ipuin, dito kaming tutong, dito sa may bahay naman, pesta ngayon. Nang kami ay dumating sa loob ng Jerusalem, ang bukang santo ay dadating. Nariyan sa altar, nakalagay sa Belen, diyan ipinaganap ang Mesiyas natin. Ang koronang ito'y malaon ng handal, sa kapestahan nyo'y muling nabalikan. Kaya kad mga sama iputong na ninyo ang palma ay sa kamay, korona'y sa ulo. Kahit manawari ay huwag kang kanino sa bahit igalang ang mahal na santo. Ang mga angheles dito ay nanao, may dalang bulaklak na galing sa langit. Ang mga angheles dito ay nanaog, may dalang bulaklak na galing sa langit. Ito ay padala ng Birheng Marikit, sa harap ng sambayaning ihahagis. Ito ay padala ng Birheng Marikit, sa harap ng sambayaning ihahagis. Sasabugan kita ng sampag at rosas, Biryo